My name is Hope, and this is Show Me assignment number 2. What we have is a 22-pound, 3-year-old spayed female terrier mix. This patient's been prescribed clindamycin for a bacterial infection. The clindamycin oral suspension, the dosage rate is 10 milligrams per kilogram, and the concentration of this medication is 25 milligrams per milliliter, which is going to be given to the patient by mouth twice a day for 10 days. The first step that we want to do is we want to convert the patient's body weight. It was given to us in pounds and we need it in kilograms. So we're going to take 22 pounds and multiply it by our conversion factor, which is 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. We're going to set it up so the pounds will cancel out. So we multiply the numerators, which is 22 times 1, which gives us 22. And then our denominator is 2.2. We're going to divide 22 by 2.2, which will leave us with 10 kilograms since our pounds canceled out. The second step of this problem is we want to finish setting up the problem. So we want to take the weight, which we just figured out in kilograms, and multiply that times our dosage rate, which again is 10 milligrams per kilogram. So we multiply 10 times 10, that's going to give us 100. As you can see, our kilograms cancel out, which leaves us with milligrams. So that's going to be a 100 milligram dose. Now the dose is the quantity given to the patient at one time. The third step is we want to take our amount. Our amount's going to be our dose divided by our concentration. So we know that our dose is 100 milligrams. The concentration for this is 25 milligrams per milliliter. So we're going to essentially divide 100 by 25, which will leave us with 4 milliliters. And we can see our milligrams cancel out, leaving us with milliliters. So again, the answer is 4 milliliters. The last step of what we want to do is we want to write out the directions to the client where they'll be able to understand it. So we're going to say Fluffy will need 4 milliliters by mouth twice a day for the next 10 days. Since clindamycin is a suspension, we're going to need to let them know that they need to please shake before using.